How to trade players on Fantasy Premier League. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily trade players on FPL. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Premier League application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is find the Fantasy tab at the bottom, and then from there you can just go ahead and tap on Transfers. So if you want to trade your players, you can select one that you want to trade. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this player right here. You can just tap on it and then tap on select replacement. Then you will find your budget at the top right here. I have currently 5.5 million pounds, so that's my budget. So I'm gonna find someone on my budget. So let's just go ahead and tap on this player right here, which is 5 million. So I can just tap on this and then tap on add player if you want. So currently the budget is 500,000, so I don't think I can add any more players, but that's basically it. So you could just go ahead and select that player and then replace it or trade it with another one. If you're sure you want to continue, tap on next, and then you can click on confirm if you want to, if you're sure about the transfer. So let's just tap on confirm, and then you've successfully traded a player on Fantasy Premier League. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.